Hi, me in 10 years. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Prosper. So, welcome to my channel. So, my name is Prosper Trade. On this account, I will document my journey from unprofitable trade to profitability trade. So, I'm going to give the realistic trade and everything that I do that is real, no faking, no anything. I'm documenting everything on this channel. If you're a person who's interested in being a forex trader or a trader as I am, so don't forget just to subscribe on this channel, and I hope you enjoy the journey. So you will be the one to witness how I will grow. So again, the reason why I start learning forex the reason why I started learning forex trading is this: like, I'm a person who don't want to work for 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. I want to have a freedom, like doing whatever I want. When we talk about freedom, it's like you have the freedom of just doing whatever you want and also helping your parents. Yeah, since my parents are not working, so yeah, I want to help them here and there. So let's see how it will be. One thing we believe is that with God, everything is possible. So we see that commit your plan in the hand of the Lord, and He will establish them. Then I'm a person who have a big mindset, so my mindset cannot occupy working 9 to 5 for my whole life. So I'm a person who need that freedom, so I can able to tackle another ways in life. So yeah, that's what I want. I know that forex trading is not something that is easy, but I'm trying my by all means to keep trying my best level until I click it. Cause this is why I give myself at least 10 years from now, which will be 2036. So by 2036, I'll come back to this video and check how did I really grow on my trading career and see how everything will be. So I hope it will be wonderful and marvelous how far I have gone. So stay tuned and see how everything will work out from unprofitable trader to profitable trader. So far I've been in the game for almost 1.5 years. So I've been trying a lot of strategies. I think maybe 4 or 5. I tried trailing lines. I tried support and resistance. I tried a lot of things. I tried CRT. I tried demand and supply, and also Fibonacci, right? Yeah. So I tried a lot of strategy currently. But for now, guess what? I can see that all strategies work, but I want to focus on one strategy this year, one pay, and see how I will be profitable. I'm a person who trade Bitcoin, so it's a crypto boy. I trade only Bitcoin for now. I usually used to trade gold and Bitcoin, but gold and Bitcoin, two of them, they are all volatile. So I feel like I'm a crypto boy, so I try and choose Bitcoin only. And then, yeah, I'll show you in the chat how I analyze my things. I'm currently testing the SMC strategy. This is a strategy that I like and I feel like it's aligning with my trades. One thing I know that is this: like, where there's a will, there's a way. If you have a will of doing something, the way is always there. So I've been always wanted to document my journey, but I was scared of how people would say, how my friend will meet me and they'll say, so I know a forex trader, why not profitable? But for me, I'm not like to Gen Z or whatever. I just want to show the reality, just to give the reality and document my journey as a forex trader. So we are going to throw in the chat and I'll show you how it's work. So my strategy is very simple. I'll just mark my order block on the first candle that accumulate after the breaking of structure. Remember, the breaking of the structure is what you will take it first. After that break of structure, then you check the first candle before the accumulation that lead to the break of structure. Then you mark your OB then you check for the fair value gap, that's our imbalance, and then you are waiting. You mark the highest high or highest low where the market retest, then you market your buy side liquidity. I'm gonna show you in the chat. I hope you're gonna like it. So yeah, and I always wait for the liquidity to sweep before I enter the trades, because one thing I realized, the market always come down and sweep the people and sweep the liquidity and go back, and that is where most people taken or trapped. So I realized this one, and I hope this year it will be a great and amazing year. So let's join the video and let's see everything. So yes sir.
So this is my chart. So you can see this is our break of structure. Then from there we can see this is our fair value gap. Let me just mark it. I forget to mark it, guys. So forget to mark it. This one OB order block. Just mark it order block. So you can see, and this is our fair value gap. This is our fair value gap. So it's FVG fair value gap. So wait, I don't know why it's not showing. Fair value gap must be red. It's supposed to be red, but it's not showing. I don't know why. Let me make it, guys, be green. Let's make it green. Why is not showing a fair value gap? I don't understand. Okay, no problem. But you can able to see, guys, like this is a fair value gap. Like the market left this space. Can you see there's a space there? That is it. And then our order block, why did I choose this order block? I chose it because it is in the last candle, or the first candle before the accumulation. And from there, just waiting for the market to reach until here. So you can see still the market, we are still in. I hope we reach our TP. And again, let's check. Remember here I'm swing on 4 hour. I hope this will go well. As you can see, we're still in a good profit. So let's see the end, how it will be.
One thing I learned as a forex trader is to always be patient. Like wait for your trade to play around. You must not fear. Don't be greedy. Don't overtrade. Don't go beyond your rules. So follow your rules. So now let's just see how this trade is gonna work. Maybe let's hopefully it will reach our TP. So see you tomorrow.
So guys, it's been currently 3 days now on this trade, but still, can you see, still in the profit, but it's not moving. I've been ever waiting, so I don't know when it will be. Now it's 3 days, but still I'm here. I can't wait to see if it will hit our TP or it will hit our SL. The goal is not to get out until we reach our target. Let me remove this one. And until we reach our target, can you see now? So yeah, this is our liquidity sweep here. Liquidity sweep.
So let's see how this trade will work, because currently it's just a matter of being patient and always see the chart when it's but we will not get out from the trade. We'll just be patient until we hit that target. So see you again. So finally, this is our trade. As you can see, I executed this trade. I think I've been here for almost 4 days, but finally it hit our TP. So it ran from somewhere here to here. So this is what I expected it, and it's just hit our TP. So remember, I'm just trying to see how profitable is this SMC trust strategies. That's why I'm trying it by all means. So finally we hit our TP. So I'll see if I'll get another setup, then I will. So if I get another setup, of course I will
able to do so. But for now, I will just focus on one pair, which is Bitcoin, and see how profitable I will be. So this is exactly as it is here. It's our liquidity sweep. As you can see, our liquidity sweep is somewhere here. Then finally you can able to see this is our fair value gap, then our OB, this order block. This is what we say it will be. As you can see, this way our SL, as SL we put it below the liquidity sweep, because I know that the market, it's always, I know already that the market always creates something like this. Let me say the market was coming from here, it will be like this, sweep this high, then continues. This is what I believe. Yeah, this is what I believe, and then this is how I execute it. So it exactly. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.